South Omaha boys.
South Omaha boys.
Race team.
Got any special place you want the oil spots? Good to see you, Tim.
Today on South Omaha Speed, we're making 2 GARs into 1. I guess we're gonna find out. If she follows, she ain't got far to go.
Right. She ain't got far to go, dude.
Yeah, I mean, I guess, where are you planning on?
I'm gonna pull that trunk lid off.
Yeah.
You lose the weight.
We'll leave the front.
Well, they're staying with the floor anyway, but yeah.
Poles, I guess you can call them.
Yeah.
Put the strap through that.
Yep.
Or even hook it to like right here. Put the hook for the seat hook there.
Yeah, that is that's loose at the bottom of the lid.
I don't know what they told you, but they lied.
Right. Divius here. Those are swap sides? No, I'm good. We'll do feel and chin. Yeah, I get it. Go down the tube over to the up and down, maybe.
Tim,
Little hand off to Tim. You okay, Tim?
where do you want to go?
He's got a bad back, everybody, so we gotta make sure that we're keep around Tim. Yep. Cool. Just the backyard, somewhere don't sprinkle that. Tube right there, Tim. There you go.
Yep, supervise. Where you're into, man. I don't do it.
Just trying to stay out of the way, the old guy, you know. Just a lot of mechanical abilities grouped down there.
I don't even have a place to put the car.
Great.
I don't even have a garage.
That's detailed, but
You worry about that shit later.
Right. Tried to get on the coating and didn't do any better.
Oh, those welds will dry one of these days.
I don't know.
Brian.
My 5-minute quick set JB Weld maybe you don't have to wait 24 hours anymore, boys. I mean,
That's right. Never compromise, Eric.
Pretty loose.
just a little test lift.
Test lift.
Test lift?
You're out. You got a bad back. Tim's out. Tim's got a bad back.
I got
Everybody
a
else is
medium.
down,
I got a
down,
medium
down,
bad back.
We'll wait for JB to come on down.
Oh, yeah.
That wire is hooked up.
Is it?
Yeah.
We got
Yeah.
Is that? What does that mean?
we need a guy over here. You hurt your
Alex,
back. You hurt your back. Let me.
Alex is our spotter right there. He's our spotter. Tim's our spotter on this side. Are you helping, Dad? Sorry, Jay. No, you're good. Ready?
Are we high enough?
Yeah.
Here, so.
Yes. Oh, we're just born that way.
All right.
Look, oh, Sharon.
Come forward, come forward. There we go. We're pretty close to this front here. We go back just a little bit. Maybe oh, right there. I guess we're good. Right there. This corner's good. Yeah.
Quarter pound. Again.
Gotta go. That edge has to go right there.
Like that.
That corner won't go down all the way because the brace is holding it up.
That's close.
Okay.
Tommy,
That's
that
real
one
close.
will drop.
Well, and once we cut this here, Tom,
Yeah.
that'll slide down.
Okay.
This will come in and it'll sit right where it is.
Okay, so
We
we're
have
close.
We have the self capper here. Do we need to get rid of
We
that?
probably should have.
We can lift it.
We can lift back here.
Let's just pick it up.
Hold on.
Get it up a couple more.
Try it on and the cars roll,
Yeah.
keep rolling.
We got about 5 minutes. $5 a day.
Exactly. Hopefully it's a little bit more of that.
Looking good. You're loving it, huh? Everybody hate you? Check it out.
We'll put it inside like this.
Scatter's always right before one goes through the wall into the kitchen.
Break away, baby. Break away.
Hey.
And so then I dug all the footings.
Just right on the mount.
I'll look chubby, do I, John?
Not this time.
How's his chin look? Double? Double chin
Single.
top?
We're down to single chin.
High and tight.
Thank you for joining today. It's been an honor for you to come along on our journey. All the guys here that came over to help and all the muscle. We are close. We're like 5/16 in the front from being where we need to be. And
We're talking studs.
we're probably really close to the back too. I mean, we are, from what I'm seeing, we are so close. So a couple more adjustments. We're gonna have this thing. I would expect on the next episode, we probably won't be driving it quite yet, but we'll be a little closer. We appreciate you joining. Tell your neighbors and friends. We'll catch you next time on South Omaha Speed.